This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure both your Google TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi, then update software so casting works reliably. Once done, power on the TV, open settings, and verify Chromecast built-in or screencast is enabled. Next, keep your source device unlocked and awake. This avoids interruptions. These initial checks prevent most handshake failures, and they let you move immediately into selecting the TV as a cast target from your device. Now you'll select the TV and begin mirroring. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, then pick the Google TV name, allow any pairing prompts. On a laptop, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Cast, and select either tab or desktop depending on whether you want a single tab or full screen. If you're on iOS, open Google Home, tap the TV, and choose Cast My Screen. Follow the on-screen permissions. Doing this gives you either mirrored display or single-tab casting as needed. To finish, stop casting from the same cast control on your device or close the casting app. The TV returns to its prior input. If the image is stretched or audio is out of sync, adjust aspect ratio and audio output in Google TV display and sound settings for a clean result. If casting fails, restart the TV and your source, disable any VPN or guest network, and confirm both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi. That simple restart and network check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.